Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker unboxing for y'all today. But before we get into this unboxing, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And before we get into this unboxing, now I had already started this. I already unboxed this shoe at my mom's house. I've been at my mom's house for like almost like a week, because I don't know if you all know about the little tornado we had in Chicago, but it fucked up a lot of shit, a whole lot of shit, and my power was out for like 4 or 5 days or something. So I was at my mom's house for a minute. Then I did the unboxing over there, but the quality of the video just wasn't where I wanted it to be, so I didn't put that portion in the video, the rest of it. But here's a little clip of the unboxing. You know, terrible lighting in here, but god damn. There you go right there. That was me actually unboxing the shoe at my mom's house. As you can see, same camera, but the lighting was just trash, so I didn't want to go through all that. But anyways, man, and here go a little quick clip of how the portion of the city look. This is a lot of this stuff been picked up. They still doing pickup work and stuff. Look at that. So we got hit. Look, trees still on the floor. We got hit with a tornado. Enough of all of that, man. Let's get straight into this shoe. You have here the Nike Air Zoom type. Colorway on this is Black Summit White-Menta. As you can see, it's that N354. It's a like prototype shoes. Here go, look at the tag right there. Wow, there y'all go. And it has a little card right here that says N354 Champions Nike Legacy of Experimentation and Innovation. N354 is an unapologetic exploration to push the boundaries of design. N354 is not trend. N354 is not conservative. N354 is not scared. So this is a bunch of prototype shoes that they just pushing out there. They like, we want to see how other people feel about the shoe. And what we have here, bling, blow, her on the shoes, man. Throw these down right there. And yeah, basically they like, man, we not finna be holding these prototypes in. We finna push them out there. Maybe people like them, maybe people don't. We gonna see how the people feel about the shoe. And the right shoe has a little tag right here. N354 captures the innovative native of Nike while creating a place to test ideas. So like I said, ideas. This N354 label collection explores a spectrum of underfoot comfort and sensation, risk plus stress footwear. That's basically what this little tag right here read. That's the only difference on either shoe. So the tag on this one, I'll be doing a review on this left shoe right here. And I don't know if you all can notice, but these little perforation holes right here, they're really big. They're huge actually. And it's all see-through. Like you can see the tissue sliding in and out of the shoe right there. So definitely a summer shoe. Hopefully I can get some wears out of this before the summer is over with. Got like maybe a month, 2 months of summer left. And all on the upper, we got nubuck. It feel like all nubuck are suede on the upper, and you have like these little like metal little little metal little tabs or something right here, where I guess they like didn't punch all the way through or something. I don't know. Then like I said, this is like prototype shoes where they just like exploring different things. So you have this right here. You have a few scattered out over the shoe. Tongue is all suede as well. You have like these thick laces on the tongue. It says N354. This shoe is based on a Zoom Air prototype built at Nike warehouse quarters, or I guess, yeah, they say WHQ warehouse quarters, Nike world headquarters, maybe, I guess, testing ideas. So anyways, there's that. You have a little swoosh right here. I don't know if this 3M or not. I'll probably try to get a glimpse of that. You have some exposed like mint green stitching right here. You have this blue, I said blue, this orange little zoom air unit right here, and on the other side you have a green one. On this side as well, you have like a little mini swoosh with N354 right there. I don't know if the camera picking that up. Insole, you have like a little Nike swoosh on the insole of the shoe. I don't know if it's picking that up either. And little mint green right here on the eye, on the lace loops. It look like this right here might be 3M as well. On the eyelids. On the inside of the tongue as well, said engineered to the exact specs of champions. Right here it says engineered to the exact specs of champions, with a swoosh right there in that mint green colorway. Do it say something different on the other one? Nope. Same thing on the other one as well. On this right here you have the orange. It's like a real light orange, almost like a peach Nike tab back here with Nike in black. You have the mint green color right here. On the bottom heel you got some little exposed stitching right there on the bottom heel as well. But the biggest thing that stands out on this shoe to me is, of course, this big chunky midsole. Definitely stands out on the shoe. And on the midsole of the shoe you have L mid, like left midsole, and on this one it says R mid, like right midsole. I guess little touches. But yeah, the midsole is definitely real chunky. It's an all foam midsole with like a real thick rubber piece sticking out of the side right here. It's a real thick rubber piece right here, and it stretches from here, goes around here, goes to the heel all the way and stops here. And then it picks up back here and it picks up here. So yeah, I don't know, got like, I don't know, it's like two midsoles in one. And you have like a little mini swoosh right there. Outsole of the shoe, swoosh right there. These are the two AirPods right there. Crazy looking outsole. Hopefully the shoe is extra comfortable. That's pretty much the gist of the shoe right there, honestly. So finna give y'all a real quick on feet of these joints. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them. Do y'all like them better in hand or on feet? Let's get straight into it. Yo, man. Yo, I am not gonna lie. These shoes are extremely comfortable, like Boost comfortable. Like these shoes, like I don't want to compare Nike and Adidas like that, but these shoes are very, very lightweight. But this chunky, like this real chunky midsole, like whatever they did with this is extremely comfortable. I guess the double foam, or is it the plastic plate they put around it? I don't know what it is, but this shoe is extremely, extremely comfortable. So like if comfort is something that you go for when you look for shoes, this right here might be a great pickup for you. Honestly, this might be a really good pickup for you if comfort is what you go for. I will say maybe go a half size up on these if you got feather wide feet, but if you're looking for comfort, this right here might be a shoe for you. And let me know, man, how did y'all feel about these? Did y'all like them better in hand, or did y'all like them better on feet? Like I always say, I'll see people do a review and then I'll be iffy about the shoe, then I see them on feet and I feel a little different about it depending on how people rock them or how they look on other people's feet. So let me know. And like I always say, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, and on feet, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.